Hello everybody, this is Shannon here and I am going to show you what will come in the Christmas add-on kit from Citrus Twist. This kit is being released November 1st of 2020 for the holiday season. So let's go ahead and dive in. So as you can see on top here, we have a couple little pieces of ribbon, some great pom-poms here and the chevron pattern, and then little pink pom-poms. And in this bag here, we have a longer piece of, it's a very, very light tealy gray, soft ribbon, twine in there. So we will go ahead and pop that back in here, move those to the side. Of course, we have all of these great embellishments, but first, let's go through the papers. So we have two manufacturers in this kit. The first is from the Stamp Market, and this is from their Merry and Bright line. So as you can see, this one has a lot of great cut-aparts on it, tons and tons of great tags, and really fun, bright colors. Love pink for Christmas, but also some teals and that darker kind of golden yellow color. And then same colors again in these polka dots here, and the fa la 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 pattern on the back, and that's a pink script writing there. And then we have this teal plaid on the white background and some stars, again, bright whites with these nice bright colors on them. We have Merry and Bright, Ho Ho Ho, Happy and Merry. These would be great cut apart into word strips, titles. And on the back is a pink and white diagonal stripe. This is a light pink background with some snowflakes on it. And then, flip it this way, on the back is these great little cards, so you can make some great handmade tags or leave nice notes, maybe in some stockings or attached to some gifts there, or write notes to kids, family members, friends in your Christmas documenting. And then we have this really great dark hunter green with some white polka dots on it. And you'll see the polka dots are a little bit wonky. They're not quite perfect circles. And then this really fun holly berry pattern on the back. Okay, so that was all the Stamp Market. Now we are going to move on to the Crepe Paper items that are included. And these are, of course, from their Hey Santa line. So in here, let's see if I can get it out. Not always. This is a piece of vellum, which are big in December documenting. So as you can see there, translucent, and then we have lots of polka dots on there. And of course it's stuck. Put that off to the side. And then some more crepe paper, again, cut aparts that you can use in your albums here, make some cute gift tags, and then a red and white polka dot on the back. This is a slightly off-white, very, very light gray maybe, background with some black stars on it. And of course, some traditional plaid on the back there. And more plaid. This is the dark hunter green with a lighter green stripe and pink stripes. So as you can see, this kit here, lots of pinks, greens, a little bit of reds. This is a fun little starburst pattern. And the background is kind of a very light gray, again, similar to the stars. Great tags again over here. I mean, these would make really cute gift tags if you didn't use them in your album, but they are 3x4, so they would fit into a pocket page album. They'd fit into a Life Crafted album. And then we have plaid on the back. And then these adorable snowmen. It does not snow where I live, but that doesn't mean I don't love snowmen on my papers. And they're holding, oh, let's see if we can see the signs there. This is joy, and they have presents and a little snow garland there. And then a really classic red and white stripe on the back. And then of course, your white cardstock. All right, so let's bring in the embellishments because those are part of the fun too, right? So these are thickers. They are very merry, and they are of course gold puffy. So let's do this here. So we have little leaf accents, holly berries, snowflakes, bows. Bows have been really big this year, I've noticed. And then Christmas sayings, Merry Christmas, be jolly, season's greetings, merry and bright. And then we'll take this one here. Again, the accents, we have Hey Santa, Christmas magic, ho, 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 cozy, and hello December. We have some enamel dots from Simple Stories. This is actually from their Apron Strings line, but the colors go so perfect with the colors that are included in this kit. So we have a bright red, we have kind of a pea green there, and this is kind of a dark turquoise color, the golden color, and then a really nice tan, I guess, maybe a mix of tan and beige together there. And then from Crepe Paper, we have the puffy stickers. We'll put those out there. Lots of great little accents there. Their puffy stickers are always so cute with the houses and all the snowmen, the Santa, snow. We have a little mouse there. Bows, again, big this year. Rainbows. I love that this line includes rainbows. I think it's just completely untraditional Christmas, and I love it, especially if you live in the Southern Hemisphere or in the South where we don't get a lot of snow. We also have this car with the Christmas tree attached, very iconic. And then let's go through the Hey Santa ephemera pack. So we'll start with the big pieces here. Put that down. So I love this one, this little mouse that says, not a creature was stirring. Adorable. We have Santa. We have a ribbon there where we could put title, journaling, photo. We have a couple tags there. This says Merry Christmas. This is a piece of vellum. It says peace and joy. More vellum that says, oh, what fun. Another Santa. Vellum again, holly jolly. This is perfect for 2020, is it not? We need a little Christmas. I think we all need a little Christmas this year, or whatever holiday you celebrate. We all need the holiday happiness. We have warm wishes. Again, Santa. A Hey Santa banner. Tickets. I always love and appreciate tickets in my album. We have Merry Christmas, Christmas wish list, and a holly jolly tag. We'll go to the side and we'll go through the last of this ephemera pack. So some more vellum. We wish you a Merry Christmas, and it's in a little speech bubble cut out there. Some more tags. It could be used this way, could be used this way. We have another listing paper here. This is a vellum stamp with a snowflake on it. Oh, what fun. Some more flags. This card is definitely one of my favorite pieces of the kit with the tree on top. And I just love that it's so retro feeling with the pink tree and the car. Reminds me of Christmas Vacation. This is a vellum Santa piece. We have a couple, let me pull them out here. A couple journaling spots, labels in here with room where lines to write on, which I greatly appreciate. I always like my writing to be straight. We have a house tag here. So if you're not using this in your album, we make a really cute gift tag. A long Santa stamp, just some more tags here. And again, with the bows, these are both vellum bows. We have a vellum rainbow. We have the naughty, nice, I did my best list of vellum snowflake. We have the do not open until 12/25 and another house tag there. So I'll bring it all back in for you so you can get one last look at all of these wonderful embellishments that are included. And that is what you will get along with the papers in the Citrus Twist Christmas add-on kit. Happy creating!